Hi, in front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to open Themes app, then choose Home at the bottom left corner. Now click on Themes category, tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to, like blue. When you're ready, choose the best theme for you and click on it. Then select Apply, wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, go into Settings, choose Wallpaper and Style, and access Themes section. Now click on one of those and tap on Apply as well. In order to get rid of one of your downloaded themes, click on this little icon next to My Themes, tap on this pen one at the top right corner, choose theme that you wish to get rid of, and click on Delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!